Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Crypto Wolf, and today we will be taking a look at the GKey Airdrop. This airdrop is about the other airdrop that I shared before about Gelotto. You should have watched the video how to claim your Gelotto airdrop on the channel. Right here, 3 weeks ago, I posted this video how to claim your Gelotto airdrop. This was for Juno, Atom, Osmo Stars, Neta, Secret Stakers. So make sure to go take a look at that first so you understand what Gelotto is. And now we're going to take a look at the GKey airdrop. That's also about Gelotto. That is their other token that they have. You will see that right here. I will share all the links in the description of my video. This is a rare secondary asset used on the Gelotto platform in the first annual grand prize game. So we're also going to be taking a look at the Gelato Games. As you can see right here, come play some games on Gelotto Games. If you take a look at that, you will see the games, and we will be looking at everything today. But first of all, let's take a look at the GKey Airdrop. So you can see the tokenomics right here. Max supply only 1000. They will distribute 30% to the holders of Gelotto, the primary token. That is the airdrop that I was talking about. This one. This is the Gelotto airdrop. And 30% distributed to liquidity providers in GLTO liquidity pools. Another 30% as additional rewards for staking other IBC assets with Gelato validators, and that is coming soon. But I think for now that's already possible. So if you are staking, delegating some tokens on an IBC chain as Atom, Osmo, Juno, or the other ones, you can choose the validator of Gelotto and you will potentially get this GKey. And other 7% distributed to various events and giveaways, and 3% to the developers, vesting over 12 months. Now, how can we get this GKey? How to acquire? We have a monthly airdrop to wallets that hold at least 10,000 Gelotto. I myself, I only have 6,000. This was the airdrop that I got. It's only worth $30 right now, but it was around $65. So the price of the token already has dumped as expected, but I didn't sell because it was not that big, and I'm gonna take the risk. And also for the Gelato Games, if you want to play some games are with the Gelotto token, so that can be useful. Or you can trade the Gelotto token for GKey and use that one for games that they use the GKey token. You can see right here staking as the house. Staking with Gelotto DAO will also count as held Gelotto for this purpose. Coming soon, you can check the link right here of the 1 year roadmap where they will explain every detail. I will share that link in the description so you can take a look at that. And we have the incentives for providing liquidity in GLTO liquidity pools. We have this on Osmosis Lab and on Junoswap coming soon. Stake other IBC assets with the validators. That's how you can acquire also. Participate in the Gelotto events. Purchase using GKey liquidity pools coming soon. So here you will see the uses right here of GKey. This is with the gamers. You will see they will burn a small amount, provide, buy, sell, trade, liquidity pools. So a lot of things, but it's mostly for the games and the tournaments. But this airdrop, you should take a look at this. I will share this in the description. Take a look if you want to acquire this one, what you have to do right here. So minimum 10,000 Gelotto. At this moment, it will be around $50 or something that you need to invest if you want to participate. Now, let's take a look at the games. If we go to the Twitter, you will see they got a GLTO lottery that's only 100 GLTO to get in. So if we click onto that, it will bring us to the games. You have 5 games right here. These are already done. You can see the winners, but sometimes it doesn't load. Let's see, it loads. Yes, it loaded. Okay, you will see the winners right here. They have, this is in RAW. This was with the RAW token. We also had an airdrop about that one. Go check it on my channel. Here you can see the growth of the people that invested, that played the game. So right here we see now, this is what Juno, winner takes it all plus Gelotto NFT. So let's take a look at that. Connect wallet. If it will open, sometimes it takes a while. I'm going to try the other one. Try this. Connect wallet. As you can see, This is for 0.001 GKey. If we go to Frontier Osmosis, connect our wallet, and we do GKey, we do USDC 0.001. So this $1 to participate. Yes, $1 for one ticket. And you can see 311 tickets sold. We have 3 winners, 70, 20, 10, multi-win false, and 99 wallets are participating. So you can try and participate in this just by buying a ticket, clicking here. You can add a lucky phrase. It's your chance to call upon a higher power to turn the tables in your favor. This does not negatively impact your odds of winning. So go wild. Yeah, you can write something, whatever you want, submit, and then you're participating in one day. This will end. So yeah, that's it about the Gelato Games, about the GKey Airdrop. If you have any questions, if you want to see some other things on this channel, just let me know. And let me know, are you participating in these games? Yes or no? Did you win? Did you lose? Let me know in the comments. I'm very excited to know that. And I hope to see you into the next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.